In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this error code 524 on Roblox that shows you join error not authorized to join this game. So we are going to see a couple of solutions that might work for you, and without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first thing that you can do is either try to just close the browser and application both and just restart your computer. If it shows you the option to update, that's even better. So you update and restart, and if you're still facing problem, make sure that your time and date is correct, because many times if your time and date is only not correct, it will cause you a lot of problems, especially in the applications and browser itself. And also make sure that you're connected to the right internet that is working properly. So that might be issue as well. But if you're still unable to resolve this, what you can do is just head over to Roblox and go to the right hand corner, click on the gear icon, and we select settings. Once you click on the settings, on the left hand side you will see this privacy and content restrictions. Click on that, and here we just click on the visibility and private service. From here we choose private service, and make sure that instead of no one, it should be selected to friends to remove the restrictions, and visibility should also be to friends instead of no one. And also what you can do is just go to privacy and content restrictions again and click on the content maturity and make sure to change it to moderate or either restricted, and just try playing it again, and that should work. Also what you can do is just try to clear the cache of Roblox. You just hit the start menu right here, run, and we just write here %local app data %, click OK, and from here you try to find the Roblox folder. Here it is, and basically we hold the shift key and press delete. Don't worry, it will only delete the cache and nothing else. Whenever you play the game again, it will create a new temp files for you. So after removing this, again just try to restart your computer, and after that you should have no problem, and the 524 error code will be resolved. But if not, finally what you can do is just try to uninstall it and reinstall a fresh copy. So any of these methods might work for you. Just comment down below if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.